Hi everyone, I'm Kavri Devaya and today I want to tell you all about the Wonderchef 1.8 litre electric kettle. This kettle is perfect for boiling water quickly and conveniently. It is made from stainless steel and non-porous high-grade stainless steel for efficient heating and perfect hygiene. It has a soft touch handle for a comfortable grip and ergonomic design, as well as safety locking lid that prevents liquid from dripping. The interior is also anti-rust, so you can trust that it will last for a long time. It also has a pilot light indicator to show you when it's in operation, thermostat control to switch the kettle off when the water reaches boiling point, and cord storage space to keep your kitchen counter tidy. With all these features, the Wonderchef electric kettle 1.8 litre can help you make hot beverages quickly and easily, and with safety and hygiene in mind. So go check it out today.
When it comes to selecting the perfect kettle for your kitchen, there are several important factors to consider to ensure you get the best product for your needs. Finding the right kettle can greatly enhance your daily routine. Here's a step-by-step guide. Types of kettles. Electric kettle. Electric kettles are the most common and convenient choice. They heat water quickly using electricity, often with automatic shut-off features for safety. Stovetop kettles. These traditional kettles are heated directly on a gas or electric stove. They can add a touch of nostalgia to your kitchen, but may take a bit longer to boil water compared to electric kettles. Capacity. Consider your needs. Think about the number of people in your household and your typical usage. Kettles come in various sizes, typically ranging from 1 to 2 liters. Choose a capacity that suits your daily requirements. Material. Stainless steel. Stainless steel kettles are durable, easy to clean, and resistant to rust and stains. They also retain heat well. Glass. Glass kettles are visually appealing and allow you to see the water boiling. However, they may be more fragile than stainless steel kettles. Plastic. Plastic kettles are lightweight and often more affordable. Ensure they are BPA-free for safety. Boiling speed. Wattage. For electric kettles, higher wattage typically means faster boiling. If speed is a priority for you, opt for a kettle with higher wattage. Temperature control. Variable temperature control. Some advanced kettles offer variable temperature settings, allowing you to choose the precise temperature for different beverages like coffee, tea, or even baby formula. Safety features. Automatic shutoff. Look for a kettle with an automatic shutoff feature that turns off the kettle once the water reaches boiling point. It is a crucial safety feature. Boil dry protection. This feature prevents the kettle from heating when there is insufficient water inside, protecting it from damage. Ease of use. Handle design. Check the handle design for comfort and ease of pouring. Ergonomically designed handles are a plus. Lid opening. A wide lid opening makes it easier to fill and clean the kettle. Cord length. For electric kettles, consider the cord length and storage options. Some kettles have cordless bases for added convenience. Noise level. Quiet operation. If you prefer a quieter kitchen, look for kettles designed for quiet operation. Additional features. Keep warm function. Some kettles have a keep warm function that maintains the water temperature for a certain period after boiling. Filtered spout. A removable and washable filter in the spout can prevent scale or debris from entering your cup. By following these steps, you can find the kettle that perfectly suits your kitchen and lifestyle. Whether you're a tea enthusiast, coffee lover, or simply need hot water for cooking, the right kettle can streamline your daily routines. Enjoy your hot beverages and happy shopping.